Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for joining me again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification bell so that whenever I go live or do an upload, you will be the first to know. Alright, so we have this challenge guys, and today we will be doing day 3, which is the first I will be participating, and this is the cleaning challenge. And so this challenge was created by Sassy Renn and Simple Karla Jones. Alright, there are some other awesome content creators that is involved, so the link will be in the description for those other ones. So guys, you all can run over and check out their challenge as well. So my day will be cleaning the car, and of course after the hurricane aftermath, there's a little few leaves and all of that you know, from the wind is all over the place. So I will be just doing a little raking up, and that's basically it. So guys, you all join me and enjoy the fun of all this tour going on. Alright guys, so there we go. I start the journey, and I am doing this the Jamaican way, where I'm just using my soap and my water with my bucket and doing the little thing that is going on. Alright, so I know going to the car wash, that's alright, that's fine, that's cool, because at the end of the day sometimes we need a car to have a thoroughly big cleaning when we go to the car wash. But we can do a simple cleaning when we are at home, and guys, we save a lot of money, you know. So at the end of the month or so, we can carry it to the car wash and make them, you know, do this big thing, power wash it under the big vacuum and all of that to shine it up and them something there. But I can do my own little thing, and guys, it's easy, it's not even hard, you know what. Wash off the rim them so there, make sure say you know what me I say, clean up all of the dirt from under the bottom of the rim there, so get the thing going. It's not really hard guys, we can all do this. I enjoy doing this, honestly. I enjoy doing this because this is such a fun thing. And another thing, if you don't really like doing stuff like that, you're not gonna enjoy doing it, honestly, because a lot of people is gonna find it very hard to do, but I enjoy doing it. And sometimes guys, I like even to turn the music on in the car and just playing some music, and I go and bounce about, you know what I'm saying, and just I go and listen my thing, and by the clock for click, you know, by listening to music and all of that, you finish doing what you're doing, not even realizing that the work is finished. So I'm actually washing down it neat and nice, yes, and just one I do my thing. And like me say, it's a Jamaican way, we like to do, you know, things like this, and I can attest a few people might enjoy doing this as well. Some of the ladies, of course, like myself, we just get up and say, listen to me, I go wash my car, I'm not going nowhere to no car wash. So when I say I'm Billa vibes and do your thing, and it is easy. Alright guys, so already like kinda clean out the inside, because this is gonna take a whole day doing the thoroughly cleaning and you know, doing it bit by bit. So I'm just taking you through some of the little steps of just quickly washing it off. And it not quickly wash off because it's a long time to take a wash off if you really need it to be done properly, like you really want it to, you know, do, guys. guys, so this is a little drying off process. I'm not using a shaman. I'm using a nice extra cotton cloth that can suck up all the water, but yet let it look sheeny and nice because I like to use stuff like this. Alright, so it's still gonna make it sheeny and nice. Good same way like the shaman. Yeah. Yes, people. You see all them glasses shine and pretty? Yeah, me have to clean on the nice beer because I need to take it all around the place. Clean and nice. You want to go to the supermarket. Okay. This is what takes care of your people. Alright? Definitely have to take care of it. Clean and nice. Clean and nice. Clean and nice. I mean, I tell the people the sun is not out, but it's very hot. Trust me, it's humid out here. Alright, so people in the car don't take long to watch, you know. If you really know what you are doing, you will watch this car so fast, so quickly. So quickly. You know, so where you are, this, so we know to turn on and make fashion and do the things them and do it fast. Neat and nice. Neat and nice and done people. So this takes us to the end of the journey for today. So I had a little rake up thing going on because of the hurricane, and I did do a little rake up. That's my cleaning challenge thing, and the next section is cleaning the car. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification bell so when I do an upload again, yes guys, you will be the first to be notified. And don't forget, click the link in the description guys. Go ahead and watch all those nice content creators that uploaded the same kind of challenge. You don't want to miss that. Alright, until next time, Global World TV guys, I'm out. So people, I'm onto the raking and I'm just cleaning up all those coconut leaves and all those leather trash that, you know, that hurricane wind fling all about the place, people. Yes, just a quick and fast one. And during the process of all of that, I was there raking, and trust me, all of a sudden the dog from next door, my neighbor dog, just start bark. And one at a time, that dog bored through the fence and come over people, and it's a pit bull. So at the end, almost at the end of the video me raking, if you are looking good, you could see me like I was a bit frightened and jumped because the dog rushed to the fence and bark, and I was so scared, and he was continually barking, and me just stop do the raking up because me say I don't want this dog bored through the hole and run come over here come bite me up. So I just finished all the raking and him continue bark people. No, so me don't want the dog to rush me. So, hello guys, how is everybody doing? Yes, me inside of the car now, people. You know, will cool up and clean up and all of that. And this is the journey. Alright, so guys, you see how my hand me a show no say me hard at work and a joke thing. All if I work me a do out the road there and out the door there. You see? See me start get sweat. I sweat off the little makeup. So me I show us see it there. I pay hard work the girl and dirty. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, yeah, like, comment, share, click that notification bell, man, so that whenever I go live or do an upload, you will be the first to know. And I'm saying this again, guys, don't forget to check out those awesome content creators who is a part of the challenge. Yes, man, everybody is coming with something different. And big up Sassy Renn and Simple Karla Jones, because they are the organizer of this challenge. And guys, their link will be in the description, so guys, y'all run over there, man, and watch the videos and share it out, because they're doing a wonderful job, guys. A wonderful job, an awesome job. Very proud of everybody who is participating and take the time out to be a part of this challenge. All right, so until next time, guys, you all be safe. And like I said, it's the aftermath of that hurricane. I can't even bother call the name there, because the name there, when you call the name, they come like you walk or some bad word. I don't know what kind of name that they give the hurricane. Why they never give the hurricane a simple name? So all of that, the place is kind of calm now. On top of that, we're on the lockdown. Today is holiday here in the Bahamas, and you know we're going with the something out the road, so people have to be indoor and all of that, guys. But we are taking it easy, and you all need to be very safe out there, because trust me, this thing don't seem to be going anywhere anytime soon, guys. All right, until next time, Global World TV, guys, I'm out.